Hola bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Nani niyazi bafethu, angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Sharp bafethu uDudu lo JU nothing
Yeah.
more nothing less kuphelele lapho.
Yeah. We've taken over a channel from Mswati Lomnanzi. I'm kidding.
Uyabuya.
Yeah. Today's episode, we are looking at Orlando Pirates game, APSL against the Polokwane City. Good angithi our daily bread, but that's not what I wanted to say. It's not my words. But yeah, we are expecting nothing but the win. Especially because we have basenze dot, man. Basenze busy.
It's painful.
Yeah,
When your
man.
curve is painful. That's why we need this game to win so that
Yeah.
it will come down
Yeah.
from that disappointment. Hey.
Yeah, true. We're expecting a win. What do you make of the game, Jay? Mokabang? Because I know it's a game that hasn't been played.
Yeah.
But yeah.
No,
what are you expecting, man?
Expectation is one. From every fan, from everyone, we're just expecting one thing. It's now 5 wins in a row.
Yes.
We are the only team right now currently that has 5 teams in a row.
So on form.
On form. That's being on form. Yeah. So there's nothing less that we are expecting besides game number 6.
Yeah.
It's a win. From CAF, from whatever, we don't care. We just need a win. We just want a win. And actually, we are going to get a win tomorrow, 7:30. That's all I'm expecting.
Yeah. In terms of the squad, man, what will you expect? Because maybe there are changes that we need to do in some positions.
You see, I mean, I'd say go for a kill. Start your best squad. Start people you know that they connect. Play Siema.
Yeah. Okay. Yes.
Play Mbata.
Yes.
You can substitute or Bodli. You can substitute Nemtajela. But also Pambili, I want to see our police about doing things. So that's what I'm expecting. A win. Of course, I'm expecting to see a vibrant squad. I'm expecting to see changes as well, substitutions that are going to be impactful. But what I don't like about Coach Wade, who likes to substitute 80 minutes, So, but we'll see. Sometimes that's driven by the game performance. So we'll see with the squad announcement and then see how they are going to play. But all in all, I'm just expecting the boys to perform, especially after what happened weekend we have. So I'm expecting a win. I'm expecting a concrete, solid team.
Okay. We're playing at home. I think we're playing at home. Yes. So it should be something honestly speaking. I just wanted to ask, do you know what happened to Mfukeng?
Oh, yeah.
We might start to even ask about such questions.
No, he was injured. He got an injury.
He's still injured. The
national team. So that's why. I think they're resting him. They're not sure, and you cannot rush a player after injury. So, yeah.
No.
There's nothing out of the ordinary. Oh, it's just an injury. He's going to come back.
Okay.
Our police needs him.
Yeah.
That combination. You can see if Apolis is not playing, Mfukeng is playing, he plays, he gives his all. Yeah. But once Apolis gets in, that guy changes.
Yeah.
Plays. I think they gel well together. They play nice together.
Yeah. So, another player to touch on. Moremi. Yeah, you can finish your point.
No, then... it's fine. Continue.
Yeah. Moremi. I don't know. I think he gets overexcited sometimes. That's what I can say. Because you can see what we have in our touches a match. But he just overdo some of the things sometimes. Like Chiefs.
Yeah. I think that goes for Usniper as well as Usbelebele.
Yes.
What drives that is the eager to perform. You know,
Mm.
if you perform last game, you are expected to perform the next game. So that drives a little bit of sense of greed. Yeah, you know,
Mm.
team, pass team because you know you scored last game, so you need to score next game. And if they can master the effect of it, football is a sport of
It's a team
a tech
sport.
team. I would say it's a
Yeah.
team sport.
Mm.
You are not playing alone. So if
Mm.
you want to shine alone with the team, so that's one of the problem with Umuremi, no Smelebel. But
Mm.
I think the coach needs to highlight that to them. With, you know, guys, if you scored last game, that does not mean you're going to score next game. It's
Yeah.
possible, but at the end of the day, this is
We're not
PSL.
expecting you to score
There's
every
no
game.
consistent striker who scored 40 goals. The most we get is 15, 16. Luckily 20 sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that they just need to know that if you play as a team, you're going to win. What matters at the end of the day is 3 points. It's a
Yeah.
win. No, not individual brilliance. So I think since they are new, they are driven by individual brilliance. I want to make it in the team. You know, I want to shine. I want to be the star.
Mm.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes, coward, Shem.
too much.
Honestly speaking, yes, coward. But the coach has to see such things. Sibelebele's form is down at the moment. He's not doing so well. So I think that has to also be managed because when we talk about a team that is dominant, we count all these individuals and they have to show up. Whether you come from the bench, whether you started the game, they have to show up.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Otherwise, good luck to Amapagania. They should come there in numbers and experience good
Beautiful
football.
football.
Yes.
Beautiful football.
Bafana is playing tomorrow,
I
so
know.
you have to be there.
One thing about us, we play beautiful football.
Yeah.
And maybe sometimes that greed is driven by that. We pass too many times, we have too many touches, and then there's no that one decisive striker
Yeah.
that shoots. Maybe, I'm just saying maybe. That's
Mm.
what drives Omoremi sometimes. You see Ombule trying to shoot from a center, you know, that
Yeah.
drive was available because they know they can score. So
Yeah.
maybe if I'm not being too harsh on them, but still we need team players. You know, we need the team to play as a team.
Yeah, man. Otherwise, guys, you know the story. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Keep this thing going, man. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.